It's time to install Python on Windows. Just open your favorite browser and head to python.org. Hover over the download button. We could explore all releases, but we're just going to click Python 3.12 and download it for Windows. Next, we'll run the executable that we just downloaded. Assuming you want this to be your default Python installation, check the box next to Add Python.exe to Path. Then click Install Now and let the installer work its magic. We'll confirm that the installation worked by opening a terminal and checking the Python version. We can run the Python command to open the interpreter and run a simple hello world print statement. We can then open the included editor called idle, create a new .py file. After writing some code, we can run the program by pressing F5. Now that we can run Python programs, be sure to like and comment to please the almighty algorithm.